Some of the biggest worries that retirees have today is, am I going to outlive my money? Right? Many times when they're actually approached for the guaranteed stream of income through an annuity, there's all those little coin phrases like annuities are expensive, or I lose control of my money, or they have excessive fees. There are bad annuities and there are very beneficial annuities. Bad annuities, like for example, variable ones that are in the market, money management fees. There's a lot of excessive fees that are there. If you're in a fixed or an indexed type annuity that has a guaranteed stream of income for you and your spouse, that is something that's actually very, very beneficial for you. It's not about how much money that you have in a pot at the end. It's how much that you can sustain and have for the rest of your life. Even in an annuity, 100% of any remaining balance that's there goes straight to your beneficiaries, avoiding probate. So if you have any questions about annuities, I'd love to answer them.